morning here at Pop Century Resort. We are, I don't know what we're doing. The only thing I know we're doing is we're getting on Skyliner and going to Epcot.
Yeah.
I guess that's all we're doing. I'm just here for the coffee and food.
Well, hopefully we make it to Soarin'. We have that.
Oh yeah, we have a fast pass for Soarin'.
Yeah.
But I'm just here for the coffee and food.
Veggie straws for breakfast.
Para su seguridad, por favor, permanezcan sentados, supervisen a sus niños y absténganse de fumar la comida.
Just us three. Okay. Go ahead. I came in a little hot, like I was like walking really fast because I was scared. Will you roll him back? Oh no, we're trapped. Everett.
We're going.
They closed the doors on us. Whee! Okay.
First Skyliner ride, and it's actually a lot smoother than I thought it was going to be. It's a little rough when you hit like one of the towers as you go up.
Yeah.
But it's not like bad or anything. And there's like nobody standing in line to wait.
No, we just walked right on.
Yeah, we just walked right on the Skyliner. But we gotta get off this one and get on another one at Caribbean Beach, and then we're going to Epcot. Made it to Epcot.
It's windy.
It is a little windy. We did not get stuck on the Skyliner.
No, it's really fun. I like it.
Yeah, wasn't bad. It's pretty nice.
Very relaxing as opposed to the bus rides where you have to like snatch your child out of the stroller and then try to carry the stroller on the bus.
Yeah. Alright, we got a fast pass for Soarin'. Everett's not tall enough yet to ride it. You have to be 40 inches. He's only like 35 inches. So we're doing rider swap real quick.
We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties.
Soarin' to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Now I get to sit with this crazy child.
He's been good. I thought he would want to play with these other kids, but he's been into the movie, so. You were supposed to catch it.
Alright, we just got done riding Soarin'. I successfully got Everett in his stroller and kept him asleep. And we're gonna start eating a bunch of food. Burger and nachos.
The guy up there bringing the stuff is kind of like the soup Nazi on Seinfeld.
Uh-oh. Everett's up. Didn't take a very long nap.
You're going for power now.
Yeah. We're gonna try some coastal eats next. Alright, we're headed out of Epcot. We're gonna see if this little child will take a nap.
And we got soaking wet.
Yeah, oh yeah, it rained and we got soaking wet.
Yeah,
Ran into mouse gear.
we didn't bring our ponchos in. I checked the weather before we left and it was like no rain until 2.
Yeah, it rained at like 11:30.
Yeah.
Poured down rain. So headed back to the Skyliner. By the way, if anybody was wondering where the Skyliner was, it's at the very back part of Epcot in the World Showcase. So if you're coming in and you want to ride a ride, you got to go all the way up to the very front part of Epcot. We got turned around.
Unless you're riding Frozen.
Yeah, unless you're riding Frozen. But yeah, it's at the very back part of Epcot, if anybody was wondering. We're at Disney Springs. Kristen's parents and brother are now here. We're going straight to D-Luxe Burger. We're back at the resort. Can't really see me that well. We didn't do much at Disney Springs. We walked around a little bit. And I bought some shorts because all I brought was jeans. Bad mistake.
To Florida.
Yeah. But we do have a really big day tomorrow. We're going to Hollywood.
We're going to Disney.
Yeah.
Hollywood Studios.
We're going to Hollywood Studios. We have reservations to make.
A
A droid and Uga's Canteen. So we're gonna do all that. Probably gonna go to Epcot again tomorrow, but that's it for today. We're gonna get this child ready for bed and then go to sleep ourselves. Hopefully we get some sleep tonight, but that'll be it. Appreciate you guys, as always, watching. Good night.